Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. Today we are going to talk about low maintenance haircut ideas for older women. Many women want a hairstyle that looks beautiful but does not take a lot of time to style every day. The good news is that there are many haircuts that are easy to care for, comfortable and stylish. As we get older, our hair may change in texture and thickness. That is why choosing a simple haircut can make daily hair care much easier. A good low maintenance hairstyle can save time and still help you look your best. One of the most popular low maintenance hairstyle is a pixie cut. This short hairstyle is easy to wash, quick to dry and simple to style. A pixie cut can give a fresh and modern look while requiring your very little effort each morning. Another excellent choice is the classic bob. A bob hairstyle is timeless and works well for many face shapes, whether worn straight or slightly wavy. A bob looks neat and elegant. It usually needs only a few minutes to styling look great. A layered bob is another wonderful option. Layers add movement and volume, which can make hair look fuller. This style is especially helpful for women with fine or thin hair. The layers create a natural shape so the hair looks good even without much styling. For women who prefer styling, longer shoulder length cut can be a great choice. This length offers this flexibility while remaining easy to manage. Soft layers can add texture and help the hair fall naturally into place. A short layered haircut is also very important. Layers create volume and make the hair look lively. Since the shape is built into the haircut, it often looks good with minimal effort. Women with naturally wavy hair may enjoy a textured cut. This style works with the hair's natural movement instead of trying to choose it. The result is a relaxed and effortless look that is easy to maintain. If you have gray or silver hair, a simple haircut can help show off your natural color beautiful. Many older women are embracing their natural hair color and choosing style that highlights its gray. Gray hair can look elegant and modern and confident. Regular trims are important for low maintenance hairstyle. A quick trim every few weeks helps maintain the shape and keeps hair looking heavy and healthy with a fresh look. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with the beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.